Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I decided to give you and share with you a very fast and easy way of decorating your New Year's party. I believe this video will be very helpful to those who decided to host a New Year's party at their house literally last second. I will be using new types of balloons from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. Very excited to try those. These are Star Link or Link Star balloons, holographic in gold and silver colors. I am extremely excited to try them out. If you're gonna decide to purchase anything from Garland Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly go over everything that I have here. These are the stars that I was talking about, holographic 48-inch linkable stars. So you basically can link them together and build a long chain of balloons. I have metallic curtain in silver and gold colors, and Garland Paper and Balloon Company sent me a whole bunch of confettis in different colors. They look so much fun. You can fill in your clear balloons with these confettis, or as an idea, you can take a whole bunch of confettis in your hands and just throw them up in the air when you're done singing happy birthday or midnight strikes at New Year's or something like that. I feel like this will be so much fun. Anything else I will be using on top of this, I will let you know throughout the video. Let's open one of the packages. I am choosing gold, I guess, and I am curious to see how these stars will look inflated and how we can link them. The color is beautiful. Can you see different colors? Ah, so pretty. To blow my stars, I will be using my hand pump. You can use your electric balloon pump while it's cool, but when your electric balloon pump will start warming up, I recommend not to use it on self-sealing balloons, because every self-sealing balloon has this insert in them, this plastic insert, and when warm air, hot air hits that plastic insert, you have a possibility to melt that insert, and your balloons later on will start losing air and your balloon will be basically ruined. So that's why I am always using hand pump to blow all of my self-sealing and orbs balloons as well. My balloons are blowing. They look really pretty. My favorites are silver ones. They look so good. To link them, it's very easy. Each balloon has this opening, so take second balloon like this and just link them together. And this is it. I want to do gold, silver, and so on and so on. Or I am going to hang my linked stars. I want to deal with this metallic curtains that I have in gold and silver colors. I think I want to layer them and then cut. I'm not sure. We'll see what I'm gonna come up with. So let's go. Quickly show you how I attached all of my foiled curtains. So I took a pin with a pearl on top, pierced through my foiled curtain, into my fabric curtain, and it holds really, really well. As you can see, all these white dots throughout the whole thing, that's my pins with pearls on top. How I hung this garland. So I pinned a safety pin to my fabric, took extra fishing line, wrapped it around one of the balloons, and tied that fishing line to that pin, safety pin on my fabric. That's all I did to hang this garland. I pinned 2 pins, safety pins, to my fabric, and that holds my whole length of balloons. I will link more detailed video on how I hang all of my garlands in the description under the video. And this is where I want to stop with this whole setup, you guys. I don't want to cut any curtains, and I don't want to add any other balloons into this setup, even though in my original plan I wanted to use another color in this whole setup, but I think it looks pretty classy, nothing over the top. Everything looks great together, everything worked great together. This whole setup was really, really fast to set up. These stars were really fast to blow up and link. I mean, in no time you'll have this gorgeous backdrop for your party. Thank you so much, L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company, for sending me these goodies to review. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. You guys, a little bit more about these stars. As I said, they were extremely easy to work with. They were really, really fast to link together. Colors in these stars are breathtaking. I love these stars. They are gorgeous. And yeah, you guys, nothing deflated, popped on me. They are just top-notch quality. Love it. I love it so much. And this French curtain right here, great quality as well. It didn't rip on me. It cut really, really nicely. I mean, I am happy with the whole thing. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I believe this is a very fast, easy, pretty way to decorate your house for the party. It doesn't have to be New Year's. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you liked this video, if this video was enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. And you guys, before I let you go, I want to thank you for 2019 year. It's been amazing. I love you all so much. I wish you a very happy, blessed year. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in 2020. Love you. Bye. Mwah.